Hey everyone! For today's video, we are going to do a product review for a massage gun that we bought from Amazon. So first, I'm gonna show you the unboxing and what it comes with. It's been a week since the massage gun arrived. We first saw it from my brother-in-law. He bought the same one, so my husband tried it and he really liked it. So we finally decided to buy one for ourselves. It comes with a user manual, there is a free high density foam, but we haven't actually done that. If at the end you decided to buy this product, I have put a link down below so you can check them out. Anyways, this is a massage gun, 6 convertible heads, and charger. This is a standard ball. By the way guys, this is a lady's hand. My hand in case you want to know the size of these heads. So the standard ball is a general use for overall. The large ball is ideal for large muscle groups like glutes or quads. Spinal is perfect for loosening back tissue and improving flexibility. There are also extra gaskets. The wedge is a go-to for shoulder scraping or IT bands. The hammer is for flat muscle groups that need a deeper massage. By the way guys, I like the hammer one. That's my favorite. The bullet is for relieving muscle tension and pinpoint treatment. And here's the charger. What I like about it's cordless, rechargeable, lightweight for a short and small Asian like me, 6 convertible heads. This is the on and off switch. Just want to let you know that this is my husband's hand. He just can't wait to use it. He's so excited, so he helped me out in filming this video. So we are going to grab the standard ball and connect it to the gun. By pushing and rotating a bit until it locks. You'll know it's connected once you try to pull it, it doesn't come off. Once you switch to on, the light will appear. It's pretty awesome to be honest. And here is the battery. Below is the level indicator. And once you press it, another light will appear, meaning it's on level 1, low speed. Then press it again, level 2, faster speed. The third press would be the level 3, fastest speed. When removing the head, you just rotate it a bit. So we are just gonna try again the bullet head with different levels, so you'll see the difference. This is level 1, level 2, level 3, level 1, level 2, level 3. Here is the product ratings from Amazon. It's 4.7 out of 5, which means that this is a great product to buy with 1,448 of ratings. Let's see some of the not so good comments. Here's one. The noise level is not as advertised. It is quiet when running without being applied anywhere, but once there is even small pressure, it started making loud clicking noise. I really don't mind with the sound, but I won't say really loud noise. The noise is still what you will expect from a massage gun. Next review. Definitely heavy. I actually agree that it is heavy, however, once you get the hang of it, like using it for a second time, the weight is okay. The gun on the picture looks not heavy, so you're expecting a very lightweight. My husband has no complaint about this product, he actually loves it. But I wish that they have added more speed settings rather than having only 3 speed settings. But with the price, I mean, this is really worth it. That's our product review. I hope this video will help you in choosing a massage gun for yourself. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more videos. Take care and stay safe.